In addition to making 2D images, Paint 3D now enables everyone to create in 3D. You can select 3D content by choosing the Select tool and clicking directly on a model. Once selected, a bounding box will appear around the contents, allowing uniform scaling from the corner handles and non-uniform scaling from the side handles. The familiar top handle enables you to rotate the object. However, with 3D content, you will see 3 additional handles. The right handle will flip the model backwards and forwards, the bottom handle will spin the model around, and the left handle will slide the model back and forth in 3D space. When positioning 3D shapes, there is object snapping to help you align models together. If you want, you can temporarily remove snapping by holding the Control key. Anytime 3D content is selected, some useful selection tools will appear in the side panel. These include recognisable options such as Cut, Copy, Paste, Delete, and the Flip buttons. Another way to select a model is to drag a selection box around it. This also enables you to select multiple objects at once. Use the Multi-Select button to add or remove objects from the current selection. When multiple models are selected, the bounding box affects all the selection at once. Group multiple objects together using this button. Once grouped, they will be treated as one object unless you choose to ungroup them. There is an Edit Colour option which changes the colour of selected shapes, and Select All to quickly select all the content in your scene. It's easy to use the adjustment tools in Paint 3D to turn basic shapes into something totally new.